Gather your materials and follow along to make this Elmer's glue costume. It is super easy and would be a great last-minute decision. You need a white t-shirt, orange, blue, and white tulle, a headband for the skirt, blue and orange iron-on, orange scrapbook paper, and a hot glue gun. I will start with the shirt first. I found an image online and added it to my software. I used my cutting machine and cut out each piece of the logo and ironed it onto the front of the shirt. To make the skirt, I cut several strips of tulle. To get the length of your strips, you want to make sure that when you fold them in half, the skirt hits where you want it to. Cut the strips in each color. Fold the strips in half and loop them through the headband. I chose to place mine in the pattern white, orange, blue. You can add another layer if you want a fluffier skirt. For the headband, I cut out a circle from a foam board. I took a piece of orange cardstock and formed it into a cone shape. You can add glue or staple the side together. I glued the cone to the top of the foam circle. I cut several strips of white tulle and glued them around the cone. Glue the entire piece onto a headband. I paired it with some black leggings and tennis shoes. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.